Okay, we're gonna do a fire alarm tour of the Christmas store at Disney. I'll look up the name to it after I get out. Here we have a STI glass breaker pole and a Cerberus Pyrotronics horn strobe. I don't know the model of it. We have another glass breaker pole station and a Cerberus Pyrotronics horn strobe. Another glass breaker and CB horn strobe. STI glass breaker and Cerberus Pyrotronics horn strobe, and it's a little bit crooked. I think this is my second fire alarm tour. What a fire alarm. Let's go back to that second one. I am not kidding. The fire lettering is upside down. That is a direct NFPA 72 code violation. What a fire alarm fail. From the Christmas store in Disney, Florida, this is